This is a 1965 Shelby Cobra replica. The details on this are actually very stunning. There's no badging up here, which is fine. I'm just going to spend some time with it. The most exciting element to this vehicle, which I will probably never see again, is the fact that the key is sitting in it. And yes, we're in the parking lot of the Mecum Auction, so it's not going anywhere, but still.
15,000, anybody get 15, anybody get 10, anybody get 1,000.
There's something else that's sitting here, the 2014 Cayman.
Got the big 500 under the hood, automatic transmission, 41,000 miles, red with white leather interior, recently serviced, no reserve. No reserve. Somebody get 25,000, anybody get 20, anybody get 20, anybody get 5,000, anybody get 7,000, 8,000, anybody get 8, anybody get 8, anybody get 7,
1959.
7,000, anybody get 8,000, anybody get 7 bid, 8 at $8,000 bid, anybody else at 7,000, anybody get 8,000, anybody get 9,000. I have 8 bid, anybody get 9 bid, anybody get 8, anybody get 9,000, somebody get 9 at $9,000 for it, somebody give $8,500, $8,500 bid, anybody give 8,000. At 55, 60. I have 55 bid, anybody get 60 bid, anybody get 60, anybody get 55, 60. At 57 now, 60. I have 58, 59. At 59 bid, anybody get 9, 9, 9, 60. I have 59 bid, anybody get 60 bid, anybody get 60, anybody get 60. I have 59,000, anybody get 60 now, 62. 1, 2, 3, 63.
This is the sign off. It's the last of it. You may have already seen these earlier. Okay, I know I didn't get this. I would have remembered this. I do not remember seeing this. 94 with the right side drive. I almost missed it. Oh, I see.